Hello guys, Flash here of another video. Today we're going to discuss about the new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain, NFT Tone. This is something very unique and I like it very much. With that being said, let's get it. Okay, so here on their website, NFT Tone, decentralized community-driven NFT marketplace for musical artists. As I said before, this is something very unique. So it's NFT marketplace for musical artists. Discover songs, claim limited edition, and support your favorite artists. Buy, sell, or auction any audio file into a unique NFT with the power of blockchain. This is a very good idea. What is NFT Tone? So NFT Tone is a decentralized social marketplace offering music artists the ability to connect with each other along with investors and digitally exchange NFTs for their creations within a sustainable and powerful tokenomics system running on the blockchain, giving access to a world of opportunities for those with a passion tied to the entertaining values of music and performance arts. They also had a full audit. We can check it over here. So Solidity Finance, NFT Tone audit report. You can check everything. So overview of the contract, total supply being that to 1 quadrillion. And yes, everything has passed as we can see over here. So checking a look at the BSC scan, there are 18,000 holders at the time of recording. So scrolling a bit down for users section, you can collect, support, interact, and for the creators you can upload, monetize, and make your fan base. Gain exposure by connecting with your fans and followers on your own personalized sub-community. They are growing a lot the past few days. We can see here everything. So the total supply 24.6% was already burned. The owners were doxxed and liquidity is locked. Also, you get 8% for each transaction. A tax fee is applied. This fee is then divided for different purpose or benefits. You can see the 8% going into 2% and charity, 2% liquidity, 2% holders, and 2% is burned. So the goal is to develop one of the most secure NFT communities to inspire individuals to create and cherish uncredited artists. Here we can see the CEO of NFT Tone. We can see his face, we can see his name. Also there are the leading people who are standing at the front line of the project. They're working 24 hours. The COO, head of community, full stack developer, and the Solidity developer. Here we can see the community admins and as well the community support as all of the tweets. The white paper, if you guys want to check it out. Everything is over here. And the story and tokenomics and the team, everything over here. They also got listed on CoinMarketCap as well as CoinGecko. You can buy Tone on Pancake swap using version 2. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 8% or more. I'm just gonna put it on a 9% to make sure it works. Put in whatever amount BNB wants up for Tone. Click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group as well as following them on Twitter, where they post everything and every update that's going on with the token. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget the notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.